So I just did a complete review on ASAHOM's new outdoor pro lights that absolutely blew me away, and I'll leave a link to that video in the description in case you're interested. But one of the things I still have no idea how they pulled off is that their T-Splitter is somehow also compatible with Govee lights. So in today's video, I'll show you how to set that up. Now ASAHOM has two splitters, Type A and Type B. Type A is compatible with their lights as well as the Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights 2 and Elites, where Type B is compatible with the Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights Pro. They essentially do the exact same thing, but the beginning of the Pro lights has a female connector, while the beginning of the 2 and Elites start with the male connector, which is the reason for the Type A and Type B options. So for this example, I'll be using the Govee Pro lights with the Type B connector. On the box, you'll notice one side says input, one says branch output, and the other says main output. And this lets you know where to plug everything in. So here's my Govee Pro controller, and I'll first plug in one strand of their lights. From here, I'll take the T connector and connect the first section to the input side. I'll then attach another string of lights to the branch output, and then I'll do 2 additional sections to the main output. After setting up the lights in the Govee app, go ahead and download and install the ASAHOM app, and on the main screen, click the plus button and add device. It'll automatically find the T-Splitter, so go ahead and hit add. From here, it'll have us select the brand of lights we're using, which is Govee, and then the model, which is again the Pros. A little further down, you're going to enter in the number of lights you have connected to the branch output, which is going to be 10, and then hit confirm to accept. Next, go back to the Govee app and into the Pro lights you already have set up, and go into the settings and then number of segments. It'll ask you how many green lights do you see. Since there's one green light on each section and I have 4 sections, I'll put that there's currently 4 green lights lit up. And since I haven't made any cuts, I'll put no right here and hit next. To test this out, I'll go into Finger Sketch, and sure enough, the lights are going from our first section, moving seamlessly to our second strand, which is connected to the branch output, before jumping back to the main output lights and continuing along the path. And like I said before, I have no idea how ASAHOM was able to get this to work with Govee, but this is something that was simply not possible to do before ASAHOM came out with this. And I have to imagine that Govee has to be thrilled, because ASAHOM created something that'll give people more options on how to install their product, which will lead to more sales for Govee. Now if you have the Govee Outdoor Lights 2 or Elites, the process is the same, except you'd use the Type A T-Splitter instead of the Type B. So if you were curious on how this worked, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you all for watching, and as always, I hope you have a blessed day.